Sometimes when you don't use a protein treatment for a very long time, your hair begins to break. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make this deep protein treatment that is very effective. This protein treatment can really go a long way to strengthen your hair, prevent hair breakage, and also to grow your hair. If you find this video helpful, please keep on watching and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are going to be needing egg. Egg can be used to strengthen your hair and promote hair growth. Then we're also going to be using ripe avocado. We can't achieve this protein treatment without using extra virgin olive oil. Fresh aloe vera can really go a long way to moisturize your hair and also to promote hair growth. The bio hair growth oil can't be left out of the growth chart because it goes a long way to cure alopecia and promote hair growth. Then we have mint oil and tea tree oil. These are essential oils. Then we also have vitamin E capsule, or you can use vitamin E oil. Of course, black seed oil thickens your hair. And we also have fenugreek oil, which goes a long way to strengthen your hair follicles and also repair hair strands. I used only one egg to make this protein treatment, then followed by avocado. Egg and avocado are known as a source of protein, and if you don't know, egg can really go a long way to promote hair growth and also to strengthen your hair. You can see that the avocado was actually spoiling, so I did not use the spoiled part. I only used the good part, then followed by the fresh aloe vera. Fresh aloe vera is also known as a source of humectant. In case you do not know, aloe vera draws moisture into your hair, or should I say humectants draw moisture into your hair. If you don't have aloe vera, another humectant you can use is honey. So you can either scrape out the aloe vera juice or you can slice the aloe vera into your bowl. Although if you are allergic to aloe vera, because the back of the aloe vera itches to some extent, so if you check your scalp or your skin is very sensitive, please just scrape out the aloe vera juice and do not include the back into your protein treatment. Then I'm also putting in moringa powder. Moringa powder is one of the Ayurvedic herbs that you can use to thicken your hair. Guys, do not skip moringa powder. Then I added in black seed oil and fenugreek oil, 1 tablespoon each. The almond oil was remaining small, so I poured everything into the bowl, then added in drops of tea tree essential oil and mint essential oil. I added in 60 ml of the extra virgin olive oil. Guys, you can also use coconut oil or castor oil. Then I also added in 60 ml of the bio hair growth oil. This hair growth oil is packed with over 23 ingredients. After putting in all the ingredients, the next step is to blend it to a smooth paste. Okay, over here you can go on to use your mask like that, or you can strain it out to make sure there's no chunk of aloe vera or avocado that is going to be stuck in your hair. That's why I am using a weave-on cap to make sure to strain it out properly. I just want it to be very smooth. So I know so many of you will ask, how many times do you use a protein treatment, or when should you use a protein treatment? You have to use a protein treatment when you find out that your hair is not strengthened, your hair is very weak, and you may have tried everything and nothing is still working. Just know that your hair lacks protein, so you have to do a protein treatment, which is what I do every 2 months. Okay, so the last time I did mine was in the month of August, and this is October. That's why I'm doing a protein treatment. I can remember when I started my natural hair care in the beginning, people would be like, if you have low porosity hair, you don't need protein treatment. It's a lie. Guys, our hair is made of protein, which is called keratin, so you actually need a protein treatment to strengthen your hair. It's not every time that is all about moisture. Your hair equally needs protein treatment. Our hair is made of keratin, which is called protein, so we need protein to sustain it to some extent. So it's not all about moisture. You have to balance the protein and the moisture treatment on your hair. Okay, so you can see my hair is dripping of water, and that is because I rinsed off the prepoo. I did a hot oil / prepoo treatment in my previous video, of which I'm going to link in the description box, so please check it out. You see how I prepoo my hair using clove oil. I always do that before washing my hair. It's very essential. I don't skip the prepooing treatment on my hair. So guys, you can see how I'm applying this protein treatment on my hair, making sure my entire scalp, the entire hair, especially the ends of my hair and the roots of my hair. Then when I'm done, the next thing is to twist it and move to the next section. Remember what I always tell you all, moving in section is better than moving in a hole, so that you can get all the hair strands and also focus very well on every area of your hair. It's better to work in sections because you can also control hair breakage. You can see I did not even detangle my hair, and that's because I detangled my hair in the previous video where I was pre-pooing it. There was no need of me detangling my hair again. So guys, work in sections, okay? Whether you have high porosity type of hair or low porosity type of hair, your hair needs protein, okay? The only difference is that low porosity type of hair tends to choose products a lot, or when we are to apply the products. So for example, mine is low porosity and I tend to apply protein treatment 6 times in a year. You guys, I know some of you tend to forget a lot, so please I want to remind you all, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda Okolocha. I'm a Nigerian based YouTuber, and everything that we do on this channel is all about natural hair, lifestyle vlogs, and a little bit of chit chat here and there. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. I promise you we love and cherish each other over here. And also share this video to your loved ones or anyone that you feel like may need this video. Please, I also want to plead with you all to watch the ads. There are some ads that are going to be popping up on your screen. Please watch it. That is how I make little coins, which will support me in making more videos for you all. So please watch the ads, okay? Please watch the ads and also give this video a huge thumbs up, like the video, share to your loved ones, and also let me know what you are thinking in the comment section. Thank you so much and God bless. So you can see I'm done with one side of my hair, and I also make sure to apply this protein treatment on my edges. Guys, I'm serious, this protein treatment, you don't want to miss it, okay? Once in a while, do a protein treatment. Sometimes what your hair is actually lacking is a protein treatment. You can use only egg, okay? If you can't get all the ingredients are used in making this protein treatment, you can just get egg, avocado, and any oil of your choice and make the protein treatment. You blend it and you're good to go. Guys, you can see how I'm literally struggling a little bit to gather my hair together. My hair is thick, my hair is healthy, my hair is full. Guys, please try this treatment, okay? It's very good for your hair, for hair thickness, to strengthen your hair strands, draw moisture into the hair, and also promote hair growth. So when I'm done twisting my hair and putting everything together, the next step is to cover my hair with a shower cap, or you can use a nylon. It's just to trap in the heat so that the ingredients or this hair mask will do what it's supposed to. And I know some of you will be like, but the egg will cook on my hair. No, the egg did not cook, okay? This was regulated. I only stayed in for 30 minutes on a low heat. Then after 30 minutes, I went on to rinse it off. Guys, check out my hair. My hair has absorbed everything, all the ingredients. Guys, if you haven't tried this protein treatment, please do, because it will really strengthen your hair and to minimize hair breakage by far. Yes, it helps to minimize hair breakage in case your hair breaks a lot. Please pardon my bathroom, the shower broke, which will be fixed later on. That's why I'm using a cup to pour water on my hair. Another thing I must say about this protein treatment is that my curls were popping. When I say my curls were popping, my natural hair curls were popping. I know this camera is not doing justice, but honestly speaking, I love the fact that my hair was soft. Yeah, it's a protein treatment, but then it softened my hair. Guys, just take a look at how I'm easily glancing my hands all over my hair. I'm not even using comb. I'm not even using a detangler. I'm just literally pouring water on my hair. I can literally run my hands through my hair. So please, you have to do a protein treatment if you haven't. So when I'm done rinsing out the protein treatment, the next step is to use a shampoo, of which I'm going to demonstrate in my next video. I'm going to demonstrate how I used my entire hair care line, which includes the shampoo, the Ayurvedic moisturizing deep conditioning hair mask, hair growth oil, moisturizer, leave-in conditioner, everything that I use for my hair in total is more like a hair care routine. Guys, I don't even know what to say. Just take a look at my hair. Take a look at my hair. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Subscribe to my channel and see you all in my next upload. Bye.